Glowing Star 8 Korean Street, foods that will blow your mind. South Korea Fire. 1 Tteokbokki, red. Spicy. Addictive. These chewy rice cakes are swimming in a fire red sauce, your taste buds won't know what hit them. 2 Hotteok, golden and gooey. One bite into this sugar-filled pancake and it's sweet heaven on earth. Honey pot sparkles. 3 Bungeoppang. It's cute, it's fish-shaped, and it's packed with delicious red bean paste. Winter's best buddy. Snowflake fish. 4 Kimbap. Roll it up and take a bite. This Korean-style sushi is portable perfection, full of flavor and fun. Rice ball party popper. 5 Soondae. Savory, steamy, and totally unique. This Korean blood sausage is not for the faint of heart. But locals love it hard on fire. 6 Gyeran-ppang. Soft, sweet bread crowned with a warm, runny egg. Breakfast dreams do come true. Cooking sparkles. 7 Tornado potato. A crispy whirlwind of flavor. Twisted, fried, and sprinkled with magic dust. Cyclone cheese wedge. 8 Korean street toast. Crunchy toast meets sweet and savory magic. This isn't your average sandwich. It's next level street food. Fire bread. Call to action. Which one are you dying to try first? Drop it in the comments. Smiling face down finger.